Hi, I'm Nazir Razim. Hi, I'm Ridwan Fakri Bimarazi.
Today, we are going to present about
The axis of the aircraft and the control surfaces.
So, what is lateral axis? It is an axis which started from one wingtip to other wingtip. If you can see on the slide, there is a red dotted line on the wing of the aircraft. The red dotted line representing a lateral axis. It is just an imaginary line. Movement about this axis is called pitch. This picture showing us on how the aircraft pitching up and down.
Bernoulli principle says that if the velocity is high, the pressure is low. Same concept applied here. If the pilot wants to pitch up the aircraft, he or she will pull back the control column so that the horizontal stabilizer will go up like this. When the horizontal stabilizer goes up, the aircraft will pitch up like this. And if the pilot wants to pitch down back the aircraft, the pilot will push back the control column away from him. So the stabilizer will go down like this, and the aircraft will pitch down like this.
The longitudinal axis and its primary control surfaces. Let's take a look what we have prepared for you guys. Now we are going to explain the longitudinal axis on the longitudinal axis. It is an axis which started from the nose of the aircraft to the tail of the aircraft. The aircraft movement about this axis is called rolling. This video shows the movement of aircraft about longitudinal axis, and it will rolling to the left and to the right. This is the example of aircraft's ailerons, which are situated on both of aircraft's wing. Aircraft rolling. This is the example of how aircraft rolling to the left and to the right. This picture shows the movement of aileron when rolling to the left and to the right. We will show you some example of ailerons on aircraft. These are the example of the ailerons. Please take a look. And now we continue with the control wheel. Control wheel is used to control aircraft rolling movement. When you turn the wheel to the right, the aircraft will roll to the right. When you turn the wheel to the left, the aircraft will roll to the left. This will happen when the aircraft is rolling. When the aircraft rolls to the right, the left aileron will go down and the right one will go out. And then when the aircraft rolls to the left aileron will go up and the right one will go down. That's all about aircraft's rolling movement and its longitudinal axis.
Hello guys, now it's my turn to explain to you guys about the vertical axis and one of the primary control surfaces, which is rudder that control the yaw motion. Boom! As you guys can see in the picture, the blue arrow
which are known as the vertical axis and it's perpendicular to the center of the gravity. And the other arrow, which are the red arrow, are the yaw motion, which are control the direction movement of the aircraft. Here is the picture of the rudder, which are the one of the primary control surfaces that are control the yaw motion. It can move to the right and the left to control the direction of the aircraft. As you guys can know, the vertical axis are the line between the top of the aircraft and the bottom of the aircraft. The movement of the direction of the aircraft, which are side by side, are controlled by one of the primary control surfaces known as rudder, and its motion called as the yaw motion.
That's all from us.
Hope you all enjoy our video. Please support our video by liking and share to your friends.